Poke Pulls here. Welcome to day 14 of the FlashFire pack opening. Let's get right into it. Esper, Binacle, Spiel, Caterpie, Banary, Rapidash, Blacksmith, Sneasel, a Pineco Reverse Holo, and a Stuntank Rare. Got Helioptile, Banary, Spiel, Spritzy, Binacle, Sealer, Lizandre, Roserade, Stunky Reverse Holo, and a Lopunny Rare. We got Ponyta, Esper, Pidgey, Litleo, Sneasel, Dusclops, Ultra Ball Reverse Holo, I'm ahead of the game, Crocorock, Milotic Reverse Holo, and a Charizard EX. This is my 5th one, yo. Let's go. Awesome pull right here. Awesome pull right here. Sweet. If you guys didn't know, I'm trying to collect a bunch of these. So, I got 5 already. Can't wait. I'm also going to put it in this sweet sleeve. Just like everyone else, I'm a big Charizard fan, but honestly, Charizard is genuinely my favorite Pokemon. So I don't care if everybody else likes him. I like him. I gotta just stuff a bunch of cards in here just because these sleeves are like really tight. So when I put the card in with the perfect fit sleeve, like it's hard to go in. So if I pack it in with 5 cards real quick, then it slides in with ease. See? Nice and perfect. Awesome pull right there. My last box, I got 3 Ultra Rares. I already have a Secret Rare, 2 Full Arts, and an EX in this box. So I would say that this box definitely made up for that one. Got one more pack after this. We got Spritzy, Luxio, Sneasel, Flabebe, Fletchling, Pokemon Center Lady, a Love Disc, Trick Shovel, a Dusclops Reverse Holo, and a Florges Holo. Awesome. Last pack here. Got Geodude, Feebas, Sentret, Duskull, Roselia, Nuzleaf, Pidgeotto, Graveler, a Stunky Reverse Holo, and a Barbaracle Rare. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.